In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in a Google Slides theme. This is a super useful skill for anyone looking to personalize their presentations and ensure consistency throughout the slides. So let's dive right into it and make your slides stand out with the perfect font choice. First, you want to open Google Slides and have your presentation ready. Once you're in Google Slides, look towards the top of the page for the menu bar. You're going to want to click on Slide. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit Theme. By doing this, you're entering the theme editor of your presentation. This is where you can make changes that apply to all slides, ensuring uniformity across your entire deck. Now that you're in the theme editor, look to the left side of your screen, where you'll find a list of available layouts. Here, you should click on the layout you wish to edit. When you do that, you'll notice the text boxes within that layout are now editable. Highlight the text within the box that contains your desired font change. Once highlighted, go back to the menu bar and click on Font. A list of preloaded fonts will drop down. From this list, select the new font you want to apply to your slides. If you're curious to see more options, you can always click on More Fonts at the top of the font list, which opens a new window with additional fonts that Google provides. After selecting the perfect font for your theme, you'll want to do the same process for each text box across the different layouts of your theme to maintain a cohesive design. For different types of text like headings, subtitles, or paragraph text, you may choose various fonts that complement each other or stick to one for simplicity. When you're satisfied with your choices, don't forget to hit the Close button at the top right once you've made all your changes. This action will save your changes and exit the theme editor, bringing you back to your presentation view. You'll now notice that the font has been changed across all slides, matching the selections you made in the theme editor. Finally, take a moment to cycle through your slides to ensure everything displays correctly and consistently, tweaking individual slide elements if necessary. And there you have it, a custom font theme in Google Slides to elevate the look and feel of your presentation. With these simple steps, you'll be able to confidently edit and customize fonts in a Google Slides theme like a pro, making each presentation uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.